We offer a 2-year diploma program. We have 3 field placement opportunities where students can get experience in industry, working for recreation and sport organizations in the Kitchener-Waterloo and surrounding areas. We're looking for folks who are really passionate about making a difference in the lives of others through recreation and sport as community service.
When I looked at the program description and found out everything that we're going to be learning from coaching to managing people, I honestly had such a connection to it.
There's a lot of a communication aspect, which I really like because this program allows me to connect with a lot of people.
Our field placements really set us apart, giving students hands-on, real-world experience. And what really stands out is that we're getting students involved in the community, and we're really teaching them how they can use recreation and sport as a tool to make a difference in the lives of others.